So, good afternoon everyone present here. My name is Akshay Pandey and I am from NHGOL and this is my project Sorgami LRT. So before we start, we want to know what does Sorgami mean. Sorgami is the conjugation of two Sanskrit words, Sor which means solar and Gami which means moving. So let's know more. What are the problems? The problems is that have you seen a metro? And if you have seen a metro, it will be in the topmost cities, tier 1 cities, Mumbai, Delhi. Why? Because it is very expensive to make. It is a very expensive to make, it is very expensive to develop, and it is very expensive to maintain. And we have made a research which told us that 30 to 45% of annual expenses just comes from energy. And the environmental impact are true too, because most grid electricity comes from coal and fossil fuels, which is bad for our environment. So, what is our solution? We have developed a new form of urban transit, which is a baby of tram and a metro system, which we call LRT. LRT is very energy efficient, so efficient that we can run it with a solar panel. Running with a solar panel can save up to 33 to 45% on operating cost. It will be eco-friendly as no grid energy is being used or no fossil fuel is being wasted on. Also, extra income by SOAR AI. Let's learn more. So, how have we included SOAR AI? Our idea and our methodology was that we have seen that we have implemented solar panels. It has been done before in DMRC, Kochi, and we wanted to do something different. We have an energy backup which can help us in the times when it is night or the time is cloudy. But what about the extra time when the battery is full too and the energy is getting wasted? We don't want to waste the solar energy, so we will sell it to the grid. So how? It has smart energy management which allocates solar power and sees how much to send, how much to store and how much to sell to the grid. It has predictive analytics which see how much that the climate will be tomorrow or the day after tomorrow to make ideas, and also the revenue intelligence. It sees that when the grid energy is in the most demand and we sell it and make a lot of money from it. So what is the REM AI framework? It is responsible as it uses sustainable technologies like solar panel to run. It is ethical because it gives fair access to smaller tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and it is mindful because it is reducing solar wastage. The data collected. We have collected a lot of data and you can see of this like the DMRC annual cost and the comparison and the other things. So what are our business plans? We have researched a lot and we have seen that our LRT system can achieve up to 40% of reduction in operational costs and 60% in the development. It is also a perfect solution for 100 plus cities and 10,000 plus cities worldwide. SOAR AI's revolutionary grid system and grid metering can make up to 3 to 50 crores, in which 3 to 7 crores are for India and the 50 crores estimate is from the EU. So, how will we mass implement this? So, first we will talk to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities and will ask for their cooperation to build a metro-like system which is also known as LRT, and we want to implement it there. So first, we will see the data if it is working efficiently and if everything is correct. After that, we will make this standardized so other cities can also implement it, which will be 20% cheaper and faster to develop. After training SOAR AI with real life Sorgami implementation, we will roll it worldwide. So, our Sorgami LRT aims to provide a clean, reliable urban transit system to those cities which cannot afford a real metro system yet. This is the SOAR AI energy dashboard. As we can see, it has real-time information of how much solar generation is being done, how much battery is state of charge, the train consumption and the grid price. We can see the real-time energy flow. I don't know what is happening. So we can see the real-time energy flow and also see the solar power forecast and the grid pricing, all the important things that a grid should have, and it makes life of people working very easy as they can see everything in one place. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can ask. I have answers with data backed. Okay, thank you.